Sienna eating guacamole with some medium spice salsa mixed into it. I should say avocado with medium salsa mixed into the avocado to make guacamole. And she's having a little pasta with some sauce. And I'm actually giving her a little pizza since Mommy's working late tonight. And Daddy wants to make sure that she eats dinner. So he knows he'll get some cheese in her and some pasta. And she's actually liking to eat the bread too for a change. Today is April 24th, 2014. And we're going to be doing the March of Dimes walk for the second year in a row this Sunday in honor of our daughter, to raise some funds for any future preemie babies. How's that pizza taste? And the guacamole. Tonight I get to do the dinner, bath, bedtime routine. It's actually a lot of fun. Couldn't think of a better way to spend my evenings with my daughter, taking care of her. Early in the day, we watered the grass, and then we went for a little walk before dinner, and here we are eating dinner. Yum yum. It's for you. Or now we're gonna maybe play, and I'll go for something else. There we go. You don't have to close it now. Close? Not now. You're gonna want some more. Do you want some more food? Are you gonna want some blueberries soon? I know, that's your favorite. We'll get them soon. You have to finish eating first, okay? Alright, video off. Bye, wave to the video camera, Sienna. Bye-bye. Wave to Daddy.